To perform the lying handcuffs, all you need is an area of floor. We'll start with our hands behind our head like this. We'll extend them out and around, turn palms to face the ceiling, and grab our hands behind our back like so. From here, we can lift our elbows and try to make them touch each other to feel a stretch in the front of our shoulder, and then drop them down, open our hands up, bring them back towards our head like so. That's 1 rep, and you could just do the number of reps that have been programmed for you. This is a great shoulder mobility exercise, and it also activates your upper back muscles. So it's 2 for 1. And those are the lying handcuffs.